Yo, 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 what is going down? We got another reaction video today. We are doing LockSmith. I don't know if you guys are familiar with LockSmith. He's a very, very, very lyrical rapper. And LockSmith just dropped a video a couple of days ago that I've been wanting to watch. So instead of watching it, I decided to react to it and see how much you guys fuck with LockSmith. Let's see where it's called. Forgot LockSmith and Slain, and it's called Never Personal. So let's go. Let's get right into it.
We don't believe you. It's like you spend more time on Instagram than you actually do in V-Booth. Your career is a mere Hollywood reboot, and now you wanna bite the hand that feeds you. You can't even speak without permission or spoken to. Let the vocals do what they intended for. If ignored, then I go with you. Repeat a lie enough times and it becomes the truth. Replace a serious theme with a meme and it'll become a spoof. I've been through the struggle repeatedly, never intended a tunnel that's leading me. Never permitted I hustled illegally, made a commitment and did it all vis-a-vis. Rap is a permanent tool, sort of assertive, a sermon to service you fools.
Ooh, that was a sick little scheme right there. Man, so right now he's not hitting like a lot of bars and wordplay, which he does. He has a lot. His pen is insane. But right now he's just hitting you with those factual lines. Like you say, you spend more time on Instagram than you do in the booth. Let your lyrics talk for you. And then he's just gonna start going into these different flows. And I have no idea what he was saying, but that little scheme that he did right there was so sick. We're gonna have to go back. So Mr. T in this visualizer is LockSmith. He's got that real grimy voice that I love.
Vocals do what they intended for. If ignored, then I go with you. Repeat a lie enough times and it becomes the truth. Replace a serious theme with a meme and it'll become a spoof.
Yeah, you say a lie enough times and it becomes the truth, and you take a serious thing and make it a meme, and then now it's a joke. He's spitting facts right there.
Through the struggle repeatedly, never intended a tunnel that's leading me. Never permitted I hustled illegally, made a commitment and did it all vis-a-vis. Rap is a permanent tool, sort of assertive, a sermon to service you fools. Paid and determined to dues. How could you win if you never do learn how to lose? I did it in locked in when I dropped in, and I watched them taking notes. Following clock him like I dropped pin, try to box in what I spoke.
Man, listen to these flows. Man, if he was speaking fucking Swahili and he was doing this, it would sound so sick.
Paid and determined to dues. How could you win if you never do learn how to lose? I did it in locked in when I dropped pin, and I watched them taking notes. Following clock him like I dropped pin, try to box in what I spoke. Fuck any top 10 that I'm not in. If it's not him, you a joke. I'ma go back in and just black out and go lash out at they throats.
Man, what great writing that is. That internal rhyme scheme, and then so it's like a just multiple lines that he did that in, and if it was written out, you would see like every single word rhymes. Locked him in the top 10, and it's not him, and it's not him. Like those all rhyme, and then the joke, and then toke, and then poke. Like I love it. I love it.
Following clock him like I dropped pin, try to box in what I spoke. Fuck any top 10 that I'm not in. If it's not him, you a joke. I'ma go back in and just black out and go lash out at they throats. Yeah, we sending shots and taking names later. Fuck them idols you idolize, they can't save you. Fuck them items you iconize, they ain't saviors. Asking for forgiveness is business, never personal, bitch.
Yo, American dreaming, scheming in the land of milk and honey. Thirsty for a cup, enough to lie for fame and kill for money.
Okay, I don't know who Slain is, so this is why I like doing shit like this, because now I'm gonna get to go into Slain and find out what he does.
Forgiveness is business, never personal, bitch.
Yo, American dreaming, scheming in the land of milk and honey. Thirsty for a cup, enough to lie for fame and kill for money. Heroin scheming, fucked it up, get cuffed and locked. You're still a dummy, whatever the reason. Inevitably, the several keys. You better believe in the weather the season. Went over your head, they must have missed you. The envy's just egregious. These leeches live just to dish you.
I like that weather this season. It's so small. It's like such a little tiny like whether or not like whether the season it's sick. It's such a creative little when you just sprinkle those in there. I love it.
A dummy, whatever the reason, inevitably the several keys. You better believe in the weather the season. Went over your head, they must have missed you. The envy's just egregious, these leeches live just to dish you. Catfishing and wishing that mission will get you to act different and snitching like that shit is official. You better slow down now. Now he sped up and broke his ass. Up on your Oedipus opus, get up with locust, shit'll get hopeless fast. Said it was dope, nah, you set up a dope. The federal notes you passed had you gas. Look at you getting revoked, your ending results is trash. I've been here for the long game. Dollars go ether to crypto. I don't know how far you go in this zoo. Teasing the pitbull. Who on a mic? It's MC season official. You're just a 3-minute shit show. We don't believe it a bit though.
Yeah, we sending shots and taking names later. Fuck them idols you idolize, they can't save you. Fuck them items you iconize, they ain't saviors. Asking for forgiveness is business, never personal, bitch.
Man, that was sick. I love it. I love it. It wasn't super bar heavy, and if it was really hidden. And when the next time I watch it, I'll be able to catch a lot more. But fuck, those flows are insane. I love his internal rhyme schemes, like the multiple syllable rhyming. It's very, very difficult to. All right, it's very difficult to keep a rhyme scheme for a long time and the songs still like have some semblance of you're actually speaking about something or on topic. I have songs where it would be almost like where it's like a radio freestyle where it doesn't have to mean anything, it just sounds really dope. But I have songs where like the whole 16 bars is like one rhyme scheme, and it almost gets way too repetitive, but it's mixing it around so much and it's trying to figure out. And these are songs that I've written for 15 something years where I tweak it and play with it and, you know, just never recorded it. But it's very, very difficult to come up with this whole flow patterns like that, man. I love it. I love LockSmith. And LockSmith has got some real ass music too, if you're really into the current event type music as well, because he's got some very passionate feelings on what's going on in politics and in the world and things like that. And he's a real motherfucker as well. He's been around for a very, very long time, underground. I believe he's done battle rapping for a long time as well. And you could just hear that in his writing. Fucking, and I've never heard of Slain before, so I gotta go check out Slain now too. But yo, thank you for rocking with your boy. If you're still here, go check out my graffiti art on my channel. It'll be right here in the little description. And there's a whole playlist for time-lapse graffiti. I wish you guys would mess with my graffiti art like you do with my reactions, because the reactions are so much fun to interact with you guys and learn a lot from the artist and about the songs and things that I don't know what he's saying. So I appreciate you guys. Have a great weekend.